Okay, so this is just a short video about the Keurig K-Cup, and I actually use that. It's for making your own coffee with your Keurig. The first thing you want to do if you get that system, you have to take out this one. That's the original part, and that is actually replaced by this part. And now I'm going to show you how to fill it and brew your own coffee. Okay, so obviously you have to fill that thing with coffee, and it's actually, you see it in here where you have the maximum, or you can put in the max of that. So you just put it in there, shake it a little bit, and then you just pop that in like so. And then you see this one here, you have to place it right here, and then you turn it like so and just make sure it's actually tight. And then what you want to do, you see that little arrow, you point that towards the inside of the machine, push it down, and then actually we can start brewing our coffee. And that's actually all there is to that, and it just makes perfectly fine coffee, and you don't have to pay for, or let's say if you run out of these Keurig things, you always have this one as a backup. And again, I've ordered this on Amazon, and it's a replacement for your Keurig machine. Okay, so once you brewed your coffee, you actually just take that thing out here, and then you want to open it again like we did before, and then you see the brewed coffee in here, or what remained, and then it's pretty easy, you just rinse it out there. A little rinse also with this part. And then you have that mesh again, and then for the next refill it's ready. And again, it actually just comes with these three parts. So that's the part you replace with the part of the original machine. That's basically the coffee filter. Put it in there, and then you have that lock mechanism here. Pop it up here, make it tight, twist it, and you're all set to brew your own coffee.